Kia ora and welcome to another one of our tutorials today. My name is Nick Clapp, the one and only. Today we're going to be looking at doing web design using Atom, HTML web design, right? So it's going to be a bit exciting, so let's just jump straight into it. First, what you need to have downloaded is two applications. I strongly suggest you have Google Chrome. Okay, that's the first one. Then second of all, I need you to download Atom, please. Here it is here. It's what we're going to be using to code our website. So if you download that for me, please. You can pause me while you do so. Okay, now we've downloaded Atom. Let's launch it up. Right. Now that Atom's going, we know that's all good. What I now need to do is we now need to minimize Atom while we go into our File Explorer. So if you navigate to your File Explorer, please. Right, now, if you now go into your documents, or wherever you want to save your web design, your websites, create a new folder and call the folder whatever your website's going to be about, because everything for your website is going to be inside this folder. So I'm just going to call this one practice site. Brilliant. So everything in here is going to be for the site. Okay, so now we need to set up the folder. So inside this folder, create another folder and call it, not a shortcut, a folder. Oh, go away. Create a folder, new folder, and call it images. So any images used on the website are going to be in this folder. It'll all make sense to you hopefully in a minute. So all I need you to have at the moment is Atom downloaded and this folder set up, this practice site folder, located wherever you wish. Okay, now back into Atom. No, it's not Atom. Now we need to put link Atom with that project folder. Okay, so here's my current project folder. I need to add a new one, so by doing that I'm going to go File, Add Project Folder, Documents, and I'm going to find it, Practice Site, Select Folder, and here it is. Right, now we're good to go. So we're now ready to start coding our website. So let's go and click New, make a new document on Atom, a new yeah. So we're gonna go. I clicked File. Today would be nice. Right. So I clicked. What's happening here? So here it is. I went File, New Window, and now I'm here. Because we're coding HTML, first of all, before whatever we do, we're going to save this file. So Control S, shortcut for save, saving it in the practice site file, and we're going to call it index.html. So index is what senior web developers like myself call the home page of their site. So it's going to be the front page of our site. Then because we're using HTML to code our site, we're going to do a .html, and it's going to be saved here in practice site. Save. Right, we're in. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we need to start the site. So the first bit of code we're going to put in is we're just going to type in HTML, then click enter. Right, don't worry. So first of all, we can leave all this, no stress. We're now going to go in between these two titles. We're going to write in the title of our site. So this is what gets displayed at the top of, like this here. But in Chrome, you know, when it says in the tab what the site you're on, what little name, well, that's what this is. So we're going to just call it practice site. Now, you'll notice that, for example, title here, I've got title and I've got slash title. When it hasn't got a slash, it's opening the tag. Okay, so when it's got the brackets, it's a tag. It's opening the tag, and then when it's got a slash, it's closing it. So that's when it knows to stop at the end of the E. It's not a title, the title's finished. That's what it's saying. Same with here, the head, then slash head, right, the head's done. body. Now this is the body of the site, so everything's going to be in the site, and then the body then finishes. So everything in our site is going to be between these two body tags. So let's get cracking. So first of all, let's look at making headers. So this is a header is the big bold text on your site. So to do that, we're going to open a tag, like I said before, which are the tags where we put the dash, H for header, and then 1. If you went 2, the header would be slightly smaller, 3 would be smaller, 4 would be even smaller, 5 would be smaller, 6 smallest. But I want a real big one, so I'm going to go H1. Now I'm going to close that tag. Right, we'll finish the tag. Not close it, finish it. So we start right now. Everything that's typed between here, and then I'm going to open another one, /H1. So this is where it closes, right? So now, in between here, it's going to be all in big bold. So now I'm going to write in welcome to my practice site. And now save it. So if you go Control S to save, it's saved. So now we go back into our file, into our practice site file. Whoa! Our index page is here. Let's open it. Open it right up. Welcome to my practice site. See that? And then look what it says up here. Practice site, which was this. Practice site. Welcome to my practice site. Is everything that is displayed between here. Okay, so now we've learned the basics of how to write on our website. Next time, we'll have a look at changing the colours and moving things around a bit. How we can make our site look more professional rather than just having white and black. But this is where we've started. So well done if you've gone this far. Remember, if you've got any questions, please comment below. And I'll get in touch with you. But hopefully you'll have a rough idea on how to start your website using Atom. See you next time. I'm Nick Clapp.